Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today I am going to tell you about journey to liberation. So actually I started my journey regarding knowing about God in 2009. So from 2009 I am referring various books. I approached various gurus, rishis, munis, and I visited various sacred places, holy places, and I am in search of God. As an enthusiastic person, enthusiasm is called as an enthusiastic person is called in Sanskrit as jignasi. So as a jignasi, I searched the truth. I searched for the truth, approached various gurus, munis, and in search of God, I realized that actually a human being the main goal of a human being is to do the journey for the liberation. So the main goal of a human being is to get liberated. So knowing God is same as getting liberated. So if you get liberated, you will be automatically reach God. That is what I understand in my journey. So by knowing that, I started my journey to get to the path of the liberation. I started my journey to the path of the liberation. So being a human being is a very good opportunity that you get to get liberated, because there are 8,40,000 species around the earth. There are 8,40,000 species around the earth, and no species is having that kind of opportunity to know about God, to know about the path of the liberation. So only the human being can have only the human being is having that ability. Only the human being is having that ability to know the path of the liberation and to make a journey in that path of the liberation and to get liberated. So this is the main purpose of the human life also. Savai punso paro dharmo yadbakshad adokshade ahaituka yapratyata yayatma supradistanti was told in Bhagavatam. So how a person can enter into the path of the liberation? How a person can be entered into a path of the liberation and start his journey means Savai punso paro dharmo yadbakshad adokshade ahaituka yapratyata yayatma supradistanti. So by doing loving devotional service to God, one can enter into the path of the liberation. So first we have to know about God, and then we have to do loving devotional service to God, and by doing loving devotional service to God, we can enter into the path of the liberation. Then we can start the journey towards the path of the liberation. So in that manner, I started my journey towards the path of the liberation. So one should have a loving feeling towards the God. So So the feeling of love, so feeling of the love should be in everybody's heart. So to get generated the feeling of the love, one should reduce the hatred. One should reduce the hatred feeling, not only towards his family members, but also for everything in the society, even the movable, unmovable things also. Everybody should start loving feeling. So human beings should reduce the hatred feelings and develop loving feelings towards everything in the nature, everything surrounding, everybody in the surrounding places. So not only family members, people generally love family members, people generally love parents and his family members, but a human being should first develop loving feelings towards everybody, towards everything movable and movable. So everything, nature, animals. So like that, by doing loving devotional service, we have to see God in every creature, every movable and unmovable things, trees, stones, everything. Like that, first we have to generate a loving feeling in our heart, and then do loving service towards God, and then first we have to do the journey to find out the God, and then after finding the God, we have to do loving devotional service, and then we can enter into the path of the journey towards the liberation. So I started my journey towards the liberation. So if anybody interested can contact me, can join me in this journey towards the liberation. So I will guide as per my knowledge. I once again inform to the viewers that any video that I am making is not I am not making by myself, because I am already in the journey towards the liberation, and I am already doing loving devotional service to the God. God is giving instructions to me to make the videos. So I am receiving data, I am receiving instructions from the God. So as per the instructions of the God only, I am making videos. I am not making the videos as per my knowledge, because I am a lame person. I have as a Seshapaavan, I don't have that much knowledge. So whatever I am speaking, whatever the words I am that coming from me are simply the words of the God only. So with the power of the God, with the data of the God, with the knowledge from the God, I am speaking to you. So whatever video I am making is not, I am not making by myself. It is the instructions of the God. I am already on the path of the path of the liberation. So if anybody interested to contact me, can contact me, can join me. I will give all the knowledge which I will receive from the God and which I pursued until now through my journey. I am ready to share with you. And also I started a trust, Pavan Charitable Trust, which is helping to gain, which is helping people to gain the knowledge. So if anybody are interested, can donate to the Pavan Charitable Trust. So in this way, I am through Pavan Charitable Trust, I am helping people to gain knowledge, to know about God, to make journey in the path of the liberation. So viewers, follow me. I will present more interesting aspects in my future videos. Thank you.